All right, guys, I'm doing a review of this Lindt vegan um, chocolate. So I I just saw this and I was super surprised they actually have a vegan chocolate. So there's the nutrient panel and here's the ingredient list. So there it is. We're gonna open it up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like. There it is. We'll do a quick taste test. Really good, actually. Tastes like almost like a regular Lindt. Maybe a little bit harder in texture, but it still has that creamy sensation. Definitely impressive. All right, guys, see you in more videos.